I mean, guys, even in the drought, I mean, we get some rain now and again, but you can call it a drought because as rain fall, you don't get any more, probably once every 2 weeks. So people are still farming, and trust me, this cauliflower ground looks really good. And as you can see, they have been watering them. So I mean, people can still push out in this period, but it's not for me because you don't make as much profit because you don't you have to spend a lot of money buying water and such. This is on my way home back from my bush. So as you can see right here, somebody planted a piece of string bean. So I mean, people are still doing the little thing during the drought. And as you can see, the string beans are really pretty. And string beans only take 6 weeks. I mean, they don't take a lot of water because within 6 weeks you reap it off and all that. And I think the price for string bean now is at $2.50. But hopefully by the time this come in, it would stay the same place or probably higher to give the person a bit of money. And then guys, right here again, we have an old cabbage farm. People went through and they plant like turnips. So I mean, people are doing their little thing same way in this drought. And guys, this is on my way from my farm. So yes, this is turnip, and I guess they just flashed the seeds across the land the other day when the rain was falling, and the turnip them bust up. And yeah, I mean, people are still trying to do 1 and 2 things during this drought period. But further, they have some cabbage. They're looking good. I mean, they're watering them also. And then down here, so now I have some cabbage again. These look like they're struggling through the drought. So this person plants some cabbage, and I have 1 and 2 broccoli in there. These don't look like they're getting any water because they've been planted a long time and they're struggling. Yeah, so that's just how it goes during this period. So guys, I'm just heading home on the truck, on the dirt truck, and look at this big ram goat that I back up in there. This big ram goat in similar rank, you see? Watch ya now, watch ya now. See me come after me, see me come after me there. Watch ya, watch ya. What do you want to make up nice? Sketch him. Watch ya, 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 watch ya. So guys, this is my cousin's farm, and this is near my house. So yeah, I just came back from my bush and I decided, alright, I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my cousin grow. So right here he have some sweet peppers. Now these are sweet peppers that have bear off already, but I mean they're springing over because you can't actually get bear over from sweet peppers. So didn't really cut them down, and he went ahead and what that people he went ahead and he planted some broccoli through it, and now the broccoli has started to reap. So yes, you can start reap broccoli, and these are pretty comparing to mine because it's near the house. So he has a lot of water, so he could afford to go ahead and water his. I want that people, I want them something here. So as you can see, yes, there's broccoli in here. I think he reaped some on Tuesday evening, I think. Yes. Yo, one head that way, 3 pounds, I tell you. So I mean, yeah, this is his little thing. Because people are just period and can't plant up a garden. Don't follow me. I'm going to put out 1 whole heap of broccoli, and then them get knocked because of dry weather. So I mean, broccoli are rolling. Yeah, and then you have some drum right here, so that's him used to run water. So see the hose there, him run the water from up on him house and come down. Yeah, and him store it in them drum here. So you see that I want to have some water in there. Everyone have a little bit of water in there. This one is full of water still, and yeah, I just saw the thing set up, guys. So I mean, if during the drought period you can go ahead and you can juke to stuff. I mean, better than nothing if you have water. But people, I don't have any water.